Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sangeetani and I'm Tanishk. Oh, who stole my laddus from my kitchen? I see there's a mouse party going on. So let's add some more mouse to the party. Today I'm going to make a cute little mouse. So let's keep them aside. You need a square sheet of paper. Now fold these two corners like this and you'll get a triangle. Now open it. You can see this middle line. Now take these two corners and fold it like this. You will get an ice cream cone shape. Now take this corner and fold it till the middle line over here like this. Now open it. Now fold this part to the middle line. And do the same, like take this corner and fold it here. Okay, now fold it like this. Like this, these two, and then spread it like this. And then fold it here upwards like this. Do it from here also. When you're done, now fold it like this till this line. You can see this line till this. And then fold this corner back like this to this line. Do it from here also. Now flip it back. Now take this corner and you can see this line. These two corners, pull it in the middle of them. Here. Now take this corner and fold it till here. Like this. Do it also from the other side. Now fold it like this in a half. Now you can see these ears over here and here. Fold it inside like this and do it from here also. Now take this part and fold it just by leaving a little gap also for the body. Now open it like this. Now you can see these two lines open it from here, press it down like this. Now take this part and fold it till this line like this. Make a crease, open it. Now open it and fold it, that part like this. Now pull it a little down like this. Now open it. Now flip it and open it. Here is the line, and then fold this corner to this line. Like this, and do it from here also. Now fold, you'll get it like this, and then fold it like this. Now open this part, take out this ear and fold it back here. Now fold it like a diamond, in diamond shape, and do it from the other side also. Like this. Now like this. Now open it like this. Now open it from here. Don't press it down like this. Do it like this, like this. And now do it from the other side also. Now let's make the whiskers. Now let's make the whiskers and the eyes of the mouse. Now your mouse is ready. Here is the mouse party. Bye guys, please like and subscribe and comment down below what other origami videos we should do. Bye.